How to fix your keyboard typing by itself in Windows 11. So if your keyboard is typing by itself whenever you press a key, I'll show you two ways to fix this issue. First, you need to open the Start menu on your computer. Search for the word Settings, and then click on Settings. Now click on Accessibility, and then scroll down to Keyboard and click on it. Make sure sticky keys are turned off, and also make sure filter keys are turned off as well. You can then close this window. Open up your Start menu again. This time, search for Device Manager and click on it. Now, from here, click on the drop-down arrow next to Keyboards, and you should see your keyboard listed there. Right-click on your keyboard and select Update Driver. Next, select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then select your driver and click Next. Once the driver has been updated, close out of this window. You'll then get a message saying that you'll need to restart your computer. Just press Yes and restart your computer.